It's Friday, it's 2:30. It's time for this week's Golden Assembly. So let's have a look at you home learning heroes and children in school who've done a fantastic job this week. Well done for all of you for trying so hard. We know it's really tricky at home and we're so proud for the wonderful efforts that you are putting in. So let's see who are the Golden Certificate winners this week. In reception, we got Austin in the Bumblebees class. He's been a try-hard turtle, working incredibly hard at following the home learning lessons. Look at you, working so hard, Austin. Good man, well done. You keep going. Freddie has been an absolute superstar this week. He's produced some wonderful writing and excellent maths work, as well as science experiments and bird spotting. Freddie, what a superstar, well done. Look at Ivan in the Caterpillars class. Been trying super hard to form all these letters correctly this week. Well done. Look at that neat writing. Look at our friend Jimmy in the Otters. Done an amazing job this week. He's been super resilient. Look at him with his headphones, counting in twos. Well, Lila in the Frogs class, well done for working so hard in all her lessons. She's become a brilliant artist and made some fantastic sculptures in the style of Andy Goldsworthy. Well done, Lila. Daniel in the Dragonflies class has been a brilliant artist at home this week. He's been finding out about the Andy Goldsworthy work and created some amazing pieces of work. Well done. And Grace in the Den, fantastic. You read your first book. What a superstar. Riley in the Foxes, look at this writing, working from home. Explained brilliantly why yellow is his favourite colour and used lots of adjectives in the description. Well done, Riley. Harry, what a superstar you've been. You've been working really hard on all subjects, but showed independence when he quietly slipped away to practice his handwriting by himself. Harry, what a champion. In the Woodpeckers, well done to Oscar George. He was one of the many children who impressed us. Oscar has been working so hard in all of the online lessons and taking such pride in his work. Well done, Oscar. Look at that work. What a champion. Well done to everybody for being such superstars. And there's some people I need to say a really special well done to. These children did a fantastic job of guessing all of the places where the Christmas elf had been. So well done to Ava Newman. Well done to Finley Manning. Well done to Amelia Babs. Well done to Callum in the Otters. Well done to Dylan. Well done to Bethany. Well done to Isabella. And well done to Kitty. What super work you did. Thank you so much for joining in and getting them all right. A Christmas elf will be in touch about the prizes that you're going to get. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.